Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video I'm making a Yule candle holder out of cinnamon sticks. This magical craft can be a fragrant holiday gift for someone special and makes a lovely piece of seasonal decor. Let's do some magical crafting. I got the idea for this craft when I saw some wax pillar candles with cinnamon sticks melted onto their sides. I wanted a cinnamon candle holder that I could use on my altar with my handmade beeswax candles that I could reuse over and over. And so I decided to make a candle holder using a small ceramic cup. You can use any small glass or ceramic container that's fire safe for this project. I'm using cinnamon sticks that are about 3.5 inches long that I purchased in bulk. I'll leave a link to the materials I used below. You can get taller cinnamon sticks if your container is taller. I'm also using some hemp twine as a decorative element, although it's not strictly needed. I decided to glue 2 long strands of twine to the cup and place the cinnamon sticks in between alternating strands to create a pattern. You may wish to measure your container to make sure your cinnamon sticks are slightly taller than the container. In my case, my cup is about 2.5 inches tall, and my cinnamon sticks are about 3.5 inches tall, so my cup will be entirely hidden behind the cinnamon. I have chosen the nicest and straightest pieces of cinnamon bark so that they look uniform and fit together without too many gaps. I set aside any pieces that are too thin, too fat, bent, or misshapen for use in other projects. I'm using a hot glue gun to glue each cinnamon stick over one piece of twine and underneath the other, and then alternate the pattern when I glue the next piece on. I continue this process until the entire container is covered. It's fun and meditative to do this repetitive craft, and the cinnamon sticks smell wonderful. Cinnamon sticks are used for both love and luck magic. It will not only help you attract success, it's wonderful for bringing healing, protection, and love into your life. It can even help you enhance your psychic powers. A great, versatile spiritual spice, cinnamon has a wide range of magical uses, which is why I love it so much. But be aware that for some people, it may cause skin irritation. Once the container is completely covered, I cut and glued the ends of the twine down. Another option is to tie the ends into a bow. If you like the rustic look of the twine and cinnamon sticks, at this point, the project could be complete. But after a bit of consideration, I decided I wanted to add some color and extra decoration. So I decided to add a red ribbon around the candle holder. I simply dotted hot glue in a few strategic spots to hold it in place, and tied a large bow and trimmed the ends. I added a simple green artificial leaf and a few artificial red berries to finish the festive look. And now I'll give my handmade beeswax candles a try in my new candle holder. These are filled with herbs, spices, and essential oils. And if you'd like to see how I made these candles, I'll leave a link to that video below. This little candle holder would also be perfect for tea light candles. As the lit candle warms up the cinnamon sticks, it causes them to release their spicy aroma into the room. I made this candle holder for my Yuletide altar, but I think that a pair of these and perhaps a set of matching candles would make a special handmade gift that anyone would love to receive.